Hello and welcome to KoMo Do It Yourself. Today I will show you the use of our sieve attachment. We will now start with the use of our sieve attachment. There are three different mesh sizes of 0.63 mm, 0.8 mm and 1.25 mm for the sieve attachment. Today we will produce fresh cornmeal and sieve it afterwards. We turn on our grain mill and adjust the fineness. As always, when we hear the grinding noise, we turn it one step back and then we have the finest setting. Please note that popcorn corn cannot be ground. Now we have our freshly ground cornmeal and starting using the sieve attachment. To do this, we remove the funnel by turning it counterclockwise. Take this and the top grinding stone and leave it at the side. Before we can put the sieve attachment on our grain mill, we have to place the adapter ring supplied at the sieve. To do this, insert the pins on the ring into the holes provided for this purpose. Next, we take the sieve attachment and turn it counterclockwise onto the grain mill. Once you have turned the sieve slightly, turn on the mill and turn it until the brushes rotate. For today's video, we will use our finest sieve and fill the flour into the sieve attachment. As soon as only a little finely sieved flour comes out of the outlet, you can stop the sieving process. With the finely sifted flour you can produce a wide variety of pastries. You can sprinkle the remaining bran on the finished pastry. That's it for today at KoMo Do It Yourself. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at komo.bio. See you next time!